Anyị ga-eji mgbagbu ghala ọgụ nwanne m, ọ naghị ekwe omume, atụlụ na-echi ntị n'ụwa, obi ga-esi ya ike. Sit at home must continue. Biafrans sit at home must continue. If you're a Biafran and you love your children, you love yourself, you want to know that when you exit from this life, that your children will live as free human beings in their own country, then support the sit at home. Especially after the disturbing news that we had from all the lies that we are being fed on about our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the time not to deny him. This is the time to set ourselves free, because our freedom is in your hand, is in my hand, our freedom is in our hands. Welcome to M Special. M Special is a Biafran agitating for Biafra freedom, talking about Biafra, the zoo, Nigeria, and Africa in general. I am agitating under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a man that God has ordained, appointed to set his people free. And he has done just that. So if you are a Biafran and you have allowed yourself to still remain in cage and denial, it is now your own fault. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has opened our eyes, has taught us, has made us to know what nobody would have told us. Please, if you have not subscribed to M Special, do subscribe, do bring in your comments. We are here to deliberate on news, and you will have the final say as the viewers. We do bring you or upload videos twice a week, at times daily, depending on the news and on our time. For those that have subscribed, especially our recent subscribers, we are so grateful. We say thank you for coming to become one of us. Subscription is what makes our voice go far. Please do share our videos. For those that have giant channels, you can share my video if what I am saying is online with what you believe. You have no problem about that. I am here to support the sit at home. The sit at home that will set me free. The sit at home that will set my children free. The sit at home that will liberate the land of Biafra and restore Biafra. Time has come when we all together will neglect or forget about those few that wants to keep us in the captive of the enemies. Time has come for us to now understand that so long as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the dungeon of the DOS, that Biafra is in the dungeon of the DOS. So if you are among those calling yourself Biafra, claiming to be Nwachukwu Okike Obioma, this is the time to be brave. This is the time never to be tired. You know what? The devil never tires. He is the last to get tired. And I keep asking myself, why are we, the claimed children of God, easily tired? Why? When we know that the enemy we are struggling with will never get tired. This is the time to buckle up. This is the time to stand up. Anything you can do, do it without noise. Because you are doing it for yourself, and you are doing it for your children and your children unborn, and for your surname. The freedom of Biafra is so important that the devil knows very well about it and wants to see it not actualized. But God has given us Biafra. It is us that is holding ourselves. The enemies are afraid of us. It is only when the enemies got into one or two of us that they began to fly like they can do something. But in the reality, the enemies cannot alone, single-handedly penetrate us. But then, When we find ourselves that the enemy has penetrated through 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of us, does that mean that we should give up? I said no. This is complete 2 weeks. Garuba Shehu made the utterances that somebody called me and told me and said, did you see what Garuba Shehu said? I said, what did he say? He told me that Garuba Shehu said that for Biafran that they have gotten IPOB. And I said, God forbid. That person told me this on a Sunday, 3 good weeks today. I rebooked it. I didn't see that comment until we entered that week fully. And what started playing out to the extent that Emma Powerless threatened to name the Biafrans when they sit at home, to give their names to the zoo police to come and arrest them. That was when I truly know and believe what I heard. Because Emma Powerful does not know anybody named in Biafra land apart from his own family. But he boasted that because he has men that will give him the information. But will that make us to stop? We must not stop. They are all dying dogs, like the Nigerian government, the Fulani government of the zoo. And we must not give up the fight. My father always tells me, or told me when he was alive, that when the fight becomes tougher is when I will insist and never give up, because it is when the winner is about to be pronounced. Biafrans, this is the time that the winner is about to be pronounced. The devil sees inside. The devil sees spiritual. But unfortunately, majority of those that calls on the God that owns everything, that created everything, does not even see beyond their nose, not to talk of insights, not to talk of spiritual. But for those that see spiritual, we knew that we are winning this fight. We knew that this fight will end to our own favor and to the glory of God. And on this, I urge all my fellow Biafrans to stand tall and never be discouraged. To stand tall with truth and honesty, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is standing tall in that small cell where they are tormenting him for I and for you. We must not betray him, because he has never and will never betray us. And for Mrs. Uchechi Kanu and children, I urge you to stand tall, to never give up the hope. Our leader will come out alive. I belong to an altar where the dead are coming back. Without taking them to any church, you stay where they are pronounced dead. You prayed and you call on the God of heaven, who is the Chukwu Okikobiama Promihenine, and they will rise up again. I belong to an altar where somebody will have a brain surgery and that person in 2 hours will talk and recognize everybody around him. When the doctors has given their report that if that person will wake up from consciousness, it's going to be from 6 months and above and will not recover completely. And the God of heaven, whom those that knows the God they have called on, made it in 2 days. And that person was in 2 hours. And that person was taken out of the IC home clean department to the normal place in the hospital. It is that God that I believed that will reset, cleanse anything they have injected on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He will supply the potassium that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu needs for his heart to function. He will swallow without pain, because I have already tabled his case on the court of heaven and on the altar of God, the altar of fire of NSPPD, the 21st century altar, where God never forsake anyone that looked upon him around the world. And I urge Mrs. Uchechi Kanu to please log in on NSPPD. It is not a denomination thing. It is all for those that knows that there is somebody that created this place we are, and that every power belongs to him. Come and call upon that God with us, and the miracle will surely happen. Our leader will be released. Everything they put on him will go back to the enemy and those that gave them the access to him. We have heard that our leader was kidnapped from the hospital. All the lies, everything is now coming out. But in all, God of vengeance is still our God, and he will venge for us. He will never allow his name to be put to mud, because from the beginning, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has always beckoned on him. Have a wonderful week, and do not give up the fight. Sit at home must continue, because it is doing something to them. Their naira is zero. They are crying. If it's not doing something to them, why should the man powerful come to say that he will arrest those that are sitting at home? Shameless him. We must sit at home until our leader is being released alive to us and healthy. Thank you, and have a wonderful week.